Hello, good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Ma'am, Sir. My name is April Joy Esteban Gabriel. I'm 31 years old. I live in Barangay San Joaquin Maria, Aurora. I'm married and I have two kids. They are both boys.
Do you have any experience working in abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, Ma'am. I worked before in Dubai with four kids and two adults. And I also work in Hong Kong with newborn baby and four adults.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong again?
Yes, because of the future of my children, and also I want to have our own house for my family.
Do you know how to cook simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I cook steamed fish, egg, also soup.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I really love.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them their homework.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Of course, I want a kind, understanding, and all that like that.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm funny, responsible, trustworthy.
Are you hardworking?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Hello, ma'am. I hope you will like me. I'm hardworking, also trustworthy, and you can trust your kids to me.
Are you going to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. Until you want me, I will stay with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.